For joining us, everybody. I'm Scott Wickersham. Tonight, CMS leaders talked about their plans for how to keep children safe in school. Of course, this comes as the state reports a record high for new daily cases. The percent of tests positive increased to more than 10%. Now, with that data trending upwards, the governor scrapped his original plan to make a recommendation on schools today and instead said that he just needs more time.
This is my number one priority, is making sure we reopen those school doors and get children physically in our schools. I want to make sure we get that right.
The governor's already laid out three options: all kids being in school, a mix of school and remote learning, and then all remote learning. Now, if schools decide to go with option one, there would be a lot of safety measures that need to be in place. Our Joe Bruno joins us live now after listening to CMS talk about the details tonight. This will affect, Joe, bus rides, class sizes, lunch, and so much more.
Scott, after listening to all those details, I can tell you this is going to be overwhelming. It will also be extremely challenging, and for parents, students, staff members, and teachers, it will be different. Let's start with getting to school. The buses, they are going to be limited. Only one kid per seat. So for the typical 72-person bus, only 24 children will be allowed on it. When they get to school, students will have to get their temperature taken. It's not just kids. Anyone who wants to go inside has to have this done. It will take a while, likely 15 seconds per adult and 30 seconds per student. Kids with a fever will have to go to an isolation room. Inside the school, things will look different. All teachers and staff will be wearing masks. Middle and high schoolers, too. CMS wants elementary students to have them on, but they won't be required for those ages. At lunch, there will be a limited menu. No serving yourself. Hand sanitizer will basically be everywhere, and you'll see plexiglass in the front office.
We have been hard at work developing a plan that considers the best thinking from the best minds in public health.
We're just getting started. Governor Roy Cooper has asked all school districts to prepare for three different scenarios: a full reopening, a partial reopening, and remote learning. We won't know for a little longer what he will put into place statewide.
We're continuing to get more input from teachers and from parents, and we want to assimilate all of that and make a decision within the next couple of weeks.
This graphic shows what a full reopening looks like. Symptom screening will take a while. Social distancing is not possible in the classroom because there are so many students. Bus capacity won't be able to be changed. There's really no other way to say it. Plan B is complicated. School capacity is at a max of 50%. With a max of 12 students for each pre-K and kindergarten classroom, 16 for all other grades. Kids will rotate in and out of the classroom between that and remote learning. Here's what that looks like for pre-K through 8th grade. All grades rotate a third of students on an A, B, C schedule. For every week in the classroom, students follow it up with 2 weeks of remote learning. For high school, grades 9 through 11 would rotate a third of students on an A, B, C week schedule. In-person learning would occur for 4 days, remote on Friday. Friday is when all 12th graders would have an in-person instruction. The other 4 days of the week for seniors would be remote learning. And lastly, there's Plan C, all remote learning, kids kept out of the classroom. But there's challenges with this scenario too, ranging from food access to technology. No matter what is decided, remote learning will be possible for all students to opt into if kids are back inside in some capacity.
No matter what the ultimate decision is made in terms of the three plans that the state of North Carolina has asked us to develop, our students will be challenged to grow and develop to the best of their abilities, and our students, staff, and families will be safe.
A lot of good information there, Joe, that parents have been waiting to hear about the possibilities. But what is the governor saying about the possibility he would actually recommend kids go back to school at all?
The governor says the good news is science is starting to be on the side of kids being able to return to school, Kids really aren't getting COVID-19 at high rates, and the science right now is showing that they aren't transmitting it to others really at incredibly high rates either. But Scott, you just heard that story. I mean, it was a doozy. There are just incredible complications with any scenario that is decided upon.
And probably even more than you had time to lay out. Joe, thanks very much.